की वजह से हम अपना इंटरनल पर कंट्रोल लूज नहीं करना चाहिए। थैंक यू कुंतल जी। मैं नेक्स्ट पैनलिस्ट मिस्टर दर्पण कपूर को लेना चाहूंगा। दर्पण कपूर जी, ही इज चेयरमैन कैप्सन ग्रुप। He is also President Distributors Association of Chandigarh. He has very interesting presentation to share, जो उन्हें अपने डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर कम्युनिटी के साथ उन्होंने डिस्कस किया एक हफ्ता पहले ही कोरोना के लिए। तो डॉक्टर हार्दिक, प्लीज गेट मी दर्पण कपूर जी।
Hello everyone.
Sorry for making you wait for so long, Darpan ji.
Yeah, thank you, Ji.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you, everyone. And most of the things I've heard, सुना भी है सबसे, and समझ भी आ रहा है कि ये discount नहीं देना चाहिए. But at the end of the day, जितनी जल्दी हम inventory अपनी clear करेंगे, उतनी आगे consumption बढ़ेगी, इतना होगा. So no hard rules to apply, but yes, discounts. If you get more, you don't make money out of it. So based on my topic, what is there on the distribution channel, how, because in Chandigarh is a hub of distribution, being the center of capital of Punjab and Haryana. So it services Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, J&K, and Chandigarh. 5 states are serviced from here, and all the brands which are distributed from here get a great response. So the
question answer
is that if we feel that ये हमारा curve flattening हो जाएगा तो सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, it is nothing gonna happen like this. Till 2021, this will be off and on till the time we don't get a vaccine. It will take April 21, which will have some normalcy in the business. Even when the ban is lifted, there are less chances of tourism, hospitality industry, and other things wherein they will have any impact of this thing. The maximum impact will be on the hospitality industry, tourism, shows, and other things. Next slide, please. Yeah. Once this COVID-19 is over, and not the COVID-19, but the lockdown is over, it will be difficult to travel to other cities, you know. Staff safety will become another issue, because right now though they either go in public transport or something like this, then they will require an independent vehicle to go. Public transport will not be a preferred preference by the staff. Services from the office will become a reality. Like Hemant Bhai just said that digital, you have your presentation and other things. And if the staff goes out, it will demand more TA and DA. That means the cost of your service will go up. Interstate travel may not be a reality. You know, once you go from one state to another state like barrier, they are not welcoming within the states another guy within the to his state. You know, so there is some kind of a chances wherein state would not prefer another state guy coming in, and the city will not prefer another city guy coming in. So that will take some balance to come in. And we may have to undergo a medical test or something like this, wherein your history will be asked from the state from where you have come. Have you done any foreign tour? Where do you stay? Are you from the hotspot or not from the hotspot? So there are many chances which will happen. Next slide, please. Dealer will expect that only the stock which is sanitized have some assurance or stamp or something like this, that this stock is sanitized, doesn't carry any COVID virus along with this, and it is coming from a factory which is COVID sanitized one. Special packaging may be required, wherein something like this which happens, which gives the dealer a confidence that this product is clean. Staff warehouse may have to undergo a test quite often. You know, every morning, evening, afternoon, you have to check his temperature, whether he's healthy or not. Entry level, and at entrance, you'll have to open certain points wherein they clean themselves, they wash their hands and come in. The new SOPs in the warehouse will come in. Inward of the stock will become a sanitized this thing. The biggest carrier of a virus can be the lorry driver who comes from different states and coming to your state. So you will make sure, you have to make sure that the lorries are kept outside and then coming into your warehouse. And one more thing, wherein generally we call in the local laborer to take out unload the stock from the lorry to the warehouse, you know. So local labor is not a dependent labor, because they're working at your place, sometimes they're working on some another place. So it would be preferred that you have your own regular labor who comes to home to your office and goes from office to home. So those things can be, the daily wages will not be more advised. Next slide, please. Yeah. In regard to payment, it will be difficult from the dealer to get the payment, because right now we just tell the guy, boss, just travel for 3 hours, go and get the payment. It will be difficult. Collection would be difficult. Account reconciliations will become difficult. Dealer may not encourage us to go to his accounts office or enter his premises, which is just secure for his family and himself. Distant recovery will become very slow and cumbersome. We'll have to rely on the data provided by the dealer, because discount sharing and other things will become difficult to reconcile. National roadshow will again become an issue, wherein retailer, if somebody actually gets sick while being on the roadshow, and in fact other people also, it will becoming a very big issue for the brand and for the company, how to tackle this, how to give an answer. So these are the, like, even your staff also will hesitate going out of home for 3 to 5 days. Air travel will be not a preferred travel. So these are the few things which Hemant Bhai just, I had a talk with him. He said probably this summer roadshow is almost over. Like, there will not be any summer roadshow. So winter is, let's cross our fingers that we have a winter roadshow. Next slide. So winter supplies, as you already said, it will be difficult. Import will get affected. You know, Indian manufacturer will get benefited out of all this. China will not be, may not be a preferred country to work with. And iska effect ye honga ki Indian manufacturer has a limited capacity to produce. Or maybe the production is taken over by the larger brand, and the smaller brands may not get supplies in time, or something like this. Can happen, but I am not from the manufacturing industry. So manufacturers may have the capacity, but if they do not have a capacity to produce for the whole India consumption, may become a difficult thing. So the next biggest problem which is coming in, next slide, please. Next slide. Online and brick and mortar, I think the headline is wrong. So distribution channel by the online will also become a reality. Right now, online has taken over the B2C. Very soon they will start working with the B2B also. Many brands make, can I have a next slide, please? Yeah. B2B business on online will become a reality. Online order booking will go up, and you will not be able to carry the stock with you, piece-wise sample, to other states and other cities. Portals already have started working on it. Reliance, Paytm, Flipkart, Amazon, they have already started working on a B2B this thing. Very soon you'll hear from Reliance. Like Alibaba, they are working on it when B2B becomes a reality on online this thing. So brands may start working on the portals for this thing. So that's what my idea was for distribution happening in from other states also. Thank you.
समझ के करना होगा, गुड्स का ट्रांसफर से लेकर हाइजीन इन द स्टोर एंड इवन ऑनलाइन बुकिंग इन B2B स्पेस. इस वजह से इसकी ग्रोथ आएगी. थैंक यू.